Thank you for purchasing your Titan Gate Opener. This presentation demonstrates the key features of your new system and each step of the installation process. This instructional video supplements the instruction manual supplied with your gate opener. Before you begin installation, be sure to completely read and understand the instruction manual supplied with your Titan Gate Opener. You are responsible to comply with all safety warnings and local building codes as they affect your installation. If you have any questions, please call our customer service department at 1-866-708-8860. Most common is the front installation. That is the type of installation we'll be demonstrating with this video. For this front installation, the opener will be mounted in front of the guide roller post, parallel to the gate on a flat, level surface. If there is no cement in this position, you can pour a concrete slab roughly 10 inches deep and no smaller than 18 inches square, as we've had to do with this installation. Another option is to use Titan's above ground mount, seen here, available from your retailer. More information on the Titan above ground mount is available in the accessories section of this video. The opener must be positioned as shown, allowing 5 inches between the base of the opener and the center of the gate track. Secure the Titan 100 to the pad using 4 sleeve anchor bolts. Please see your manual for more detail. To select between a right gate opening and a left gate opening, remove the access panel and locate the feature selector on the upper left of the control board. Move switch number 2 to the left for a left opening gate, like we're doing at this site, or move it to the right for a right opening gate. To install the front chain bracket, first push the gate to its full open position. You can mount the chain brackets on the bottom of the gate frame or on the side of the gate frame, depending on the height of your gate from the ground. We're using the bottom of the gate frame for this installation. Mount the bracket so that you align the center of the hole with the bottom of the guide roller, as shown here. The front chain bracket should be a minimum of 8 inches from the opener when the gate is in its full open position. You'll follow the same procedure for mounting the rear chain bracket. First, push the gate fully closed, then mount the bracket so that you align the center of the hole with the bottom of the guide roller, as shown here. The rear chain bracket should also be a minimum of 8 inches from the opener when the gate is in the fully closed position. Depending on your installation, you may need to extend the rear of your gate with the Titan gate extension, as we've had to do with this installation. The gate extension is an option available from your retailer. More information on the Titan gate extension is available in the accessories section of this video. Move the gate to the middle position and lay the chain out so it spans the length of the gate. Now connect the rear end of that chain to a chain bolt with the master link provided. Please wear safety glasses for this procedure. Now attach the chain bolt to the rear bracket and hand tighten the nuts so that roughly 1 inch of the bolt is sticking through the bracket. Install the second chain bolt to the front bracket. Note the chain is not connected. Only hand tighten with 1 inch of the bolt sticking through the bracket. Now we're going to thread the chain through the opener by going under the rear idler wheel, over the drive sprocket, and under the front idler wheel as shown here. Now we'll cut the chain to the proper length. Pull the chain gently toward the front bracket and use a marker to mark which link to remove. Remove the marked link from the chain using the supplied chain breaking tool. Again, wear safety glasses for this procedure. Insert the chain into the tool, aligning the shaft of the tool with the link pin as shown. Turn the handle slowly until the pin is removed. Now connect the chain to the front chain bolt using the master link provided. Adjust the nuts on the front and rear chain bolts to remove chain slack. The chain should be sufficiently taut so that there's about an inch of play as shown here. Mount the photo detector 18 inches above the ground so that the beam from the photo detector is directed parallel to the gate across the gate opening inside the property. Mount the reflector on the opposite side of the gate opening in the path of that beam. Turn on the power. Open the gate using the remote and carefully monitor its movement. When the gate reaches its full open position, immediately turn off the power switch. Remove this metal cover to access the gate travel limit wheels. For a left opening gate like this one, the open travel limit will be on the left. If your gate opens to the right, the open travel limit will be on the right. Adjust the open travel limit wheel by depressing the release bar and turning the limit wheel until the open switch is fully depressed. Now turn the power on to check that the open limit light is illuminated. If not, continue adjusting the open travel limit wheel. The procedure is the same for the closed travel limit. Use the remote to close the gate and immediately turn off the power when the gate reaches the fully closed position. Adjust the closed travel limit wheel until the closed limit switch is fully depressed. Now turn on the power and check that the closed limit light is illuminated. If not, continue adjusting the closed limit wheel. For fine adjustment, each slot on the limit wheel is equal to approximately half an inch of gate travel. The emergency reversing device, or ERD, is a safety feature which reverses the gate should it meet an obstruction. First, we'll adjust the closing ERD. Use the remote to close the gate, and while it's closing, apply a modest amount of pressure against the gate as shown here. The ERD will engage and the gate will stop and reverse to the full open position. If you feel too much force was necessary to engage the ERD, use a small screwdriver to turn the ERD close adjustment to the left. The same procedure is used to adjust the opening ERD. Use the remote to open the gate, and while it's opening, apply a modest amount of pressure by pulling on the gate. The ERD will engage and the gate will stop and reverse 6 inches only. If you feel too much force was necessary to engage the ERD, use a small screwdriver to turn the ERD open adjustment to the left. Thank you for purchasing your Titan Gate Opener, which will provide you years of trouble-free service. If you have any questions, please call customer service at 1-866-708-8860.